Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Uzair Hakim bin Mazlan. I'm from DKA 1A. My matrix number is 14 DKA 21F 2027. Today I want to talk about calculate the area of triangle and parallelogram. My lecturer name is Puan Asmarizan binti Mat Isa and my group name is Al-Hawarizmi. My group members is Akmal Alif bin Arfian. His matrix number is 14 DKA 21F 2007. Next, Muhammad Adam bin Ismail. His matrix number is 14 DKA 21F 2016. Next, Muhammad Zikri bin Muhammad Ajam. His matrix number is 14 DKA 21F 2017. Triangles. A triangle has three sides and three angles. The three angles always add to 180 degree. Equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. There are three special names given to triangles that tell how many sides or angles are equal. There can be 3, 2, or not equal sides or angles.
Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zikri bin Muhammad Ajam. My matric number is 14 DKA 2021F. My matric number is 14 DKA 21F 2017. I will continue the presentation. Alright, first, area. The area is half of the base times height. As you can see a picture, B is the distance along the base. H is the height measured at right angles to the base. Area equals 1/2 times B times H. The formula works for all triangles. Note: a simpler way of writing the formula is BH/2. Example: what is the area of triangle? As you can picture, note 12 is the height, not the length of the left hand side. Height equal H equal 12. Base equal B equal 20. Area equal 1/2 times B times H equal 1/2 times 20 times 12 equals 100 2000 20. Equal 120. The base can be any side. Just be sure the height is measured at right angles to the base. So as you can see from this picture, the area is A, B, C. Alright, next, what is the area of parallelogram? The area of parallelogram is the region bounded by the parallelogram in a given two-dimensional space. To recall, a parallelogram is a special type of quadrilateral which has four sides and the pair of opposite sides are parallel. In a parallelogram, the opposite sides are of equal length and opposite angles are of equal measures. Since the rectangle and the parallelogram have similar properties, the area of the rectangle is equal to the area of parallelogram. As you can see this from picture. Alright. Okay. Next, area of parallelogram formula. Formula is to find the area of the parallelogram, multiply the base of the perpendicular by its height. It should be noted that the base and the height of the parallelogram are perpendicular to each other, whereas the lateral side of the parallelogram is not perpendicular to the base. Thus, a dotted line is drawn to represent the height. Okay, as you can see from this picture, therefore, area equals b times h square units, where b is the base and h is the height of the parallelogram. Let us learn the derivable. Oh, sorry. I will repeat again. Let us learn the derivation of area of a parallelogram in the next section. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass the presentation to other members. Alright.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is Akmalif bin Afian. I'm from DKA 1A. My metric number 14 DKA 21F 2007. Okay. Now I want to explain how to calculate the area of parallelogram. The parallelogram area can be calculated using its base and height. Apart from it, the area of a parallelogram can also be evaluated if its two diagonals are known along with any of their intersecting angle, or if the length of the parallel side is known along with any of the angles between the sides. Hence, there are three methods to derive the area of parallelogram. Based on the picture on the side, when base and height of parallelogram are given, when height is not given, when diagonals are given. Where B equal base of the parallelogram, bracket ABH equal height of the parallelogram equal side of the parallelogram, bracket AD X equal any angle between the side of the parallelogram, bracket angle DAB or angle ADC. D1 equal the diagonal of the parallelogram, bracket PD2 equal diagonal of the parallelogram, bracket Q. Y equal any angle between at the intersection point of the diagonal, bracket angle DOA or angle DOC. Note, in the above figure, DC equal AB equal BAD equal BC equal A angle DAB equal angle DCB angle ADC equal angle ABCO is the intersecting point of the diagonals, angle DOA equal angle COB angle DOC equal angle AOB. Area of parallelogram in vector form. If the side of parallelogram are given in vector form, then the area of the parallelogram can be calculated using its diagonals. Suppose vector A and vector B are the two sides of parallelogram, such that the resulting vector is the diagonal of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram in vector form equal mode of cross product of vector A and vector B. A equal matrix A times B. Now we have to find the area of parallelogram with respect to diagonals, say D1 and D2 in vector form. So we can write A plus B equal D1B plus bracket minus A equal D2 ORB minus A equal D2. Thus, D1 and times D2 equal bracket A plus B times bracket B minus A equal A times bracket B minus A plus B times bracket B minus A equal A times B minus A times A plus B times B minus B times A equal A times B minus 0 plus 0 minus B times A equal A times B minus B times A. Since A times B equal minus B times A, therefore D1 times D2 equal A times B plus A times B equal 2 bracket A times B, A times B equal 1 per 2 bracket D1 times D2. Hence, area of parallelogram when diagonals are given in the vector form becomes A equal 1 per 2 bracket D1 times D2 where D1 and D2 are vector of diagonals. Okay. Okay, that's all for me. Next, I will pass to other members to continue the presentation. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Adil bin Ismail Ahmed. My matric number 14DK21F2016. I'm from class DKA 1A. So example on area of parallelogram. Question 1. Find the area of parallelogram with the base of 4 cm and height of 5 cm. Solution. The question is given base B equals 4 cm height equals 5 cm. We know that area of parallelogram B by H square units 4 by 5 equals 2 square cm, 20 square cm. Therefore, the area of parallelogram 20 cm square.